In today's lecture, we are going to talk about intersection of sets. In last video, we talked about union of sets. Union and intersection are two operations on sets. Okay, it was our topic, and about one we have discussed in the last lecture, and second we are discussing now. What do you mean by intersection of sets? Look, union was something that is either in one or in other or in both. But what is union? Union is, for union what we have to first we again will take two sets A and B. Okay, we can say A as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and B is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay, if we talk about, first of all we talk about union. This is sign of union. A union B is what? First we write first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is the way of writing. First we write any one of our sets, then we will check that which elements are common in both the sets or in 3 sets, 4, how many are there, and then the remaining we have to write. Okay, so first we will check 1, 3, 5. These we have already written. These were included in set A, and the remaining are 7 and 9. It is our union of A and B. And if we talk about intersection, A intersection B. Intersection means elements common in both. Okay, so what are common in both? 1, 3, 5. Okay, this is our intersection. If we represent it in Venn diagrams, then how we have to represent? First of all, our rectangle, which represents universal set, then our subsets, this is A, B. Now look in Venn diagrams. What is common in both the sets? That is this area. Okay, and if we shade this area represents A intersection B. Okay, and if we write these elements here, then how we write? If we write 2, 4, here 7 and 9, and in this area, this small area, we have to write 1, 3 and 5. Okay, it is our A intersection B. Now example 15 is given to us, that we have to find intersection of A and B, that is given in example 12. Okay, in example 12 we have to find union, but in the same example now we have to find our intersection. Whatever our sets were, A was 2, 4, 6, 8, and B was 6, 8, 10, 12. Okay, first of all we find union. What will be union? First we will write all the terms of set A, 2, 4, 6 and 8. Now what are common in both? 6 and 8 are common, so we will use them once, and the remaining are 10, 12. It is our union. And if we talk about intersection, A intersection B, that will be only those terms which are common in both. that are 6 and 8. So intersection will be this. Okay. Now if we define the intersection in Sadebuller form, then how we will define it? First of all, we talk about A union B. Okay. In this way, you can say we can compare them, that what are differences between them, and we can understand both what is different. So A union B was X, that X belongs to A or X belongs to B. Okay, that means either in any of them. And A intersection B says that X is that element, that X belongs to A and X belongs to B. That means it is necessary that that element must be included in all of our sets. Okay, now we are going to see some properties of intersection, like we have studied of union properties. So first is A intersection B is equal to B intersection A. Okay, it is our commutative law. Second is A intersection B with intersection C gives us A intersection B intersection C. Okay, associative law. Next is A intersection with phi will be phi. Okay, because here we can assume some elements are there, but here is no element, and if you will find something common in that, then what will you find? That there is nothing common, and whenever nothing is common, so you use sin phi. And fourth is A intersection with U, this will be A. Okay, you can think it practically and you will get it. Okay, now check these two. These two are same as that were in union, only the sign is changed of union and intersection. Okay, now fifth is very important, in which we discuss distributive law. Okay, like we have studied distributive law of multiplication over addition in whole numbers, integers in our smaller classes. Similarly here, that A intersection with B union C will be equal to A union with B, sorry, A intersection with B, A intersection with B union with A intersection with C. Okay, it is our distributive law. Okay, now this, the last property, that is our distributive law. This is shown through Venn diagrams in your book. you can understand from there, you will get it very easily. Okay. The first and second picture of figure 1.7 represents the left hand side of, okay, what they have shown. In first figure they have shown B union C. Okay. In second, A intersection with B union C. We got specific area. Similarly, first they have done A intersection B, then A intersection with C, and then they have combined them. And then what we have got, that the area that was shaded is same in both. Okay. So in this way, they have understood. Now one more topic is there, that before understanding the last topic of this exercise, one is given such way that it is our universal set U. Okay, it is my set A and it is set B. Okay, now if I do A intersection B, then what would I get? It can be seen from the figure that no element is common in both. That's why they are drawn separately. So it is 5. 5 means nothing. Okay. Then these A and B, these sets are given special name, that is disjoint sets. Okay, you must remember this. These are very small points, but during test or any exam is going on there, if these type of words come in front of our eyes, then we think what is given. But actually these are very small points that must be remembered till the exam point. Okay, so our last topic of this exercise is differences of sets. Okay, now difference of sets. In this topic we have to understand a very little point. Okay, or that is difference of sets. Okay, first of all let me draw a Venn diagram. It is my universal set U. It is my set A and it is B. Okay, it is seen that some elements are common in both. Now if they say me to find A minus B, okay, then what will be my area? That will be this. Okay, only these elements. If we take some particular example, then it will be easy for us to understand. Now one is given to us that A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and B is given 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, and we have to find A minus B as well as B minus A. Okay, now A minus B will consist of only those elements that are in A but not in B. And what are those? Now you can see that 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6 are common in both, so they will be cancelled. Now what is left remaining? 1, 3, 5. Not 8, we will not include 8 because 8 is in B, not in A. But in difference of set, we have to write only those elements that are in set which is written earlier than minus sign. Okay, if similarly we find B minus A, then what I will get? I will get just 8. Now you can see that while finding b minus a has some elements 1 3 5 that are not here, but we have to not care about them. We have to care only about our set b. Now 2 4 6 are common in both, so they will be cancelled, and what is remaining? Our 8. So that will be our answer. Okay, in this way it was all the basic of this exercise. I hope you are able to solve this exercise. If you will have any problem, that we will discuss tomorrow. Otherwise, we will discuss the basics of exercise 1.5. So your homework is to solve examples and exercise 1.4 complete. Okay. Thank you all of you.